Okay, let's click on the Sheet 2 tab, then click on A4. Let's click on A4. Hold the Shift key down and click on A7. Hold the Control key down and click on A10. Hold the Shift key down and click on A13. Hold the Control key down, click on H4. Hold the Shift key down and click on H7. Hold the Control key down and click on H10. And hold the Shift key down and click on H13. Selected 4 areas there. Now click on the Chart Wizard. And on the Standard Types tab, we'll click Pie Chart and Pie with 3D visual effects. That looks good. And then Next. Let's confirm the range and that columns is selected, and then click Next. Let's go to the Titles section and type Sales and click Next. And let's select it as a new sheet and Finish. And let's drag that chart to the end again. Okay, click once on the pie at the front there, and then click and hold the mouse button and drag that pie out a bit. Now you see clicking once selected everything, so let's click on it again and push it back. And where'd that come from? Cancel. Click on it again to select just the single pie and then pull that forward. Okay, now let's go to the Chart menu and Chart Options and the Titles tab, and let's change the title to Hardware/Software. And then click on the Legends tab and let's deselect that. Now let's put it back. Now the Data Labels tab, and let's click Show Label and say OK. Now let's click the Legends and hit the Delete key. We can always put it back with Undo. Okay, select the chart title and go to the Format menu. Selected chart title. And Patterns tab. Custom. Select the bottom option from the Style drop list. And then click the Color drop arrow. And let's select pink. It's in there somewhere. Okay, from the weights drop list, select the bottom one and let's check the shadow option and OK, and click off the headings to see the effect. Now double click on the white area of the chart, and on the Font tab let's click bold and 12 as the size, and then OK. Let's double click on the main heading and make that a bigger size. Let's change that size to 16. OK. Now select the PowerPoint label. Position the cursor over it and drag over power. No, power, not point. Okay, and I click on italic. Power point. There we go. Now double click on the MS Word data label. Actually, I clicked twice too slowly there. Let's click off of it. And double click quickly. There we go. And on the alignment tab, let's click at the 45-degree selection and say OK. There we go. Now let's click the print preview button. And click Setup. And on the Page tab, we'll select Portrait. Let's go to the Margins tab and click the up arrow for top and change that to 2. Let's go to the Header Footer tab and the set that back to 2. Custom Footer tab and click Custom Header. Let's click in the center section and give it a title of Sales for 2002 and click OK. Now let's select Custom Footer. Let's click on the Date button and let's select OK, OK, close, and we can save it or not.